Welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, let's talk about how awesome the camera is on the OnePlus 12. This phone makes taking great pictures super easy. First off, let's talk about the main camera setup. The OnePlus 12 has 3 lenses that work together. There's a 50 megapixels main camera, a 48 megapixels wide-angle lens, and a 64 MP zoom lens. These lenses team up to give you really amazing and detailed photos, whether you're capturing big landscapes or getting close-up shots. Now, for all the selfie lovers out there, the OnePlus 12 has you covered too. It comes with a 32 megapixels front camera that takes really clear and high-quality selfies, ready to share with your friends and family. The 64 megapixels zoom lens is especially cool because it lets you zoom in perfectly every time. So, whether you're taking pictures of faraway stuff or zooming in on details, you'll get super clear and sharp photos. In short, the OnePlus 12's camera is really impressive. It has a bunch of lenses that work well together to capture all kinds of moments, from wide landscapes to close-up shots and even selfies. So, get ready to take some amazing photos with this phone. Stay tuned for more tech news and remember to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!